Wow, look at all that stuff.
Hello, I'm MTV and welcome to my crib. This is my crib in a car.
Hey Max, where are we going?
West Virginia.
Why are we going there?
To take KK to college.
To cake? What?
To take KK to college.
It was just like yesterday when KK was driving. It was just like yesterday when KK was a 12-year-old little goober. And now, look where we are.
We're still in our state.
Oh. Katelyn, welcome to college. Welcome to your dorm room.
Look what I brought. My play tool.
Max, you ready to get on? Yeah?
Make sure that you keep them close at hand. The platform is a dangerous place.
Wow. Stay back here with Dad, okay? Do you hear him? I feel like someone's watching. Was any grant here?
Mom. Oh, you might as well grab 3 of those.
Please grab tissues. My name's Red.
Oh, tissues.
Mom, grab some tissues, please. I grabbed 3.
Fantastic.
This one's for you, Grandma. Hello. So, if you look far over yonder, you see 4 towers. That's my tower, and I am the top on the right, the very end of the right. Room 1904, and as Max says, that's a year.
Katelyn, this is your crazy-haired brother, Ben. I just wanted to tell you that I think you're going to do great at WVU and wish you the best of luck. And if you need anything, I'm always a text or a call away.
Hi, KK. You're going to do so good at WVU. Good luck in all your classes. And remember to show them all that you're such a camp rocker.
Hey Katelyn, good luck this year at school. I hope you have a great time. Don't forget to text me if you need anything, and eat your fruits and veggies.
Hey Katelyn, I'm so happy for you. Good luck in all that you do this year and the 4 years to come. You're gonna do great. College is the time of your life, so just have fun and congrats.
Hey Cake, it's your dad. We dropped you off. Looks like we got your room set up pretty good. Ben bought some good stuff. And looks like you're gonna have a lot of fun. The campus looks fun. So, good luck. Do well. Sing and dance all over campus, because I know you will. And we'll see you soon.
Hey KK, I love you. I already miss you. I'm gonna try not to cry right now. Go and do great things. I know you're gonna be wonderful.
Yeah, you. Okay, KK. So the message is, if you need anything, just text Ben. He'll answer you and he'll tell you about this. Thanks. Bye-bye. And I forgot. I'll miss you and I'll love you. And I love you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great time at WVU.